Welcome to Hershey Tram Service. Please remain seated. Keep your arms, legs, and personal belongings inside the tram while it's in motion. Hold on to your little ones in the event the tram comes to a sudden stop.
So is Orlando.
We are only working one tram stop today. Tram stop number 1. Lamp post 25 to 50 on your right, and 51 to 79 on your left.
Orlando was nothing before Disney went there.
Yeah.
But then after Disney, Universal opened up to his own.
Leo, we're trying again. This time, all the kids come out. Oh, really? Cool. All right, cool. You ready? You can bring these out. Now he's like this. Taller. Your old house. It's not like, it's like a long, like the same color as the I got your I got your very expensive curtain. Right next to Hersheypark. That's right. We'll post on the home and like that. I feel like it's just
We're at Tram Stop.
We are now approaching tram stop number 1.
That's where we were last
Remain
night.
seated till the tram comes. Let's go.
We're over there, Chrissy.
No, it's a morning.
That's not.
We're like right there. 61.
I don't think if it's a boarding school. Yeah, it was number 1. Yeah, we're over there. Right. Oh, my car right there.
You may now exit the tram. Please watch the head and steps as you're getting off the tram.